Today I will show you that how you can easily hide all your Facebook photos at once. That's quite simple and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Then you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner of the screen to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Then scroll down all the way until you find profile and tagging. Once you found that, you'll have to tap on profile and tagging. Now, first of all, you'll have to tap on who can post on your profile. You'll have to tap on only me and then hit save. Then you'll have to tap on who can see what others post on your profile. And then you'll have to select only me and then hit save. Allow others to share your post to their stories. You'll have to turn this off. Then you'll have to tap on who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. Tap on it and then select only me. Then hit save. Then tap on when you are tagged in a post. Who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? You'll have to tap on it and then hit only me. Now, anybody will not be able to see any single post on your profile timeline. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button.